Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been forever, I know that. I'm not dead. I just forget. But anyways, you may be wondering what in the world this game is. Well, I'll tell you. It is a very fitting one for it being 4th of July, as of recording this. This is a little game that, not too many people know about, called Metal Wolf Chaos, and for those of you who do know, oh, this is going to be a treat for you. Now, I do have the music turned off for copyright reasons. I mean, I'm not entirely sure if I give enough of a damn to really do that. I don't know, really. I'm just doing it just in case. But anyways, I am, doing a short one-off video on this, and although depending on it, if you guys want more videos, I can do that. But yeah, this is Metal Wolf Chaos, and specifically the first mission of it, with the music turned off. If you want to hear the music, just, I guess, play, one of the random bits soundtrack over it, and just kind of pretend. Anyways, besides the point, let's do this. This is a very chaotic game, if you're wondering, for those of you who don't know. As it's basically what happens if you were to take Metal Gear Rising and had it made by Fromsoft, because yes, this is a Fromsoft game, and also made it the most American thing ever. Hence why I chose it. As you can see.
My special ops suit, Jody.
Yep, there you go.
It looks like a fancy party is about to start. This kind of party is a first for me.
God, this feels so weird without the music, but, we'll do. Yeah. That right there tells you enough.
Welcome to the White House.
Now, I might not do the full mission, but, oh god, that was a voice crack, but, I'll do, a good amount of it just because. No. Let's have a bit of fun with this. Ooh, what? You know what? Sure, screw it. This may be overkill, but I don't care. We want explosions. Hello, Helly. Care for a bit of explosive firepower? Well, it was missed, if I wanted to... Oh, pfft.
Sorry to keep you waiting, Mr. President.
I guess that was apparently enough for this cutscene to play. Yeah, I actually did a full playthrough a while ago of this. God, my timing is awful because I keep talking over the cutscenes. Oh, speaking of which. God, this is a fun game. Now, this is also actually... This is actually also a remaster or something like that. I think it's just like a remaster, not like a full-on remake. As this is the XD variant. Don't ask me what XD means. I have not actually looked that up. God, that's so fun. The destruction in this game is so good. Oh, this is so much fun. I haven't played this game in a bit, too, so this is like an absolute treat for me. And hoping it's probably the same thing for you guys, too.
There's an aircraft hangar beyond this passageway. Now let's hurry. The aircraft hangar is behind the barrier. I'll open the barrier now. Please wait a moment.
Also, yes, the dialogue in this is very cheesy. And I love it. In fact, most people who have played this probably love it too, with how cheesy it is. Oh! Oh, here comes the bad guys.
Whoa, something quite dangerous awaits. But with missiles of that caliber, if you aim and fire, you should be able to easily shoot them down.
Yup. Yes, you can shoot down missiles in this game and also have these guys, have that happen to them. Ow.
Sorry to keep you waiting, Mr. President. The barrier has been opened.
Hold on.
Air Force One's launch preparations will be complete soon. Well, looky here. More gas. Well, I guess they won't be free next term. Mr. President, you taking in that Air Force One. Please be careful.
Yep. Oh, God. Oh, screw it. Eat this! Hello, truck! Oh.
Sorry to keep you waiting, Mr. President. How's that for a ticketless check-in?
Okay, yep. Pow, pow, pow! Bam, bam! Oh, hold on. I just remembered. There's crates over here that have goodies. Give me one moment. Time for me to also show off one really, really fun mechanic. Yeah, I picked up a special ability called Burst Mode, which does that. Yeah, certainly.
Welcome to Air Force One.
Good lord. Yeah, so that's this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that small little Triva 4th of July video. Certainly was pretty fun for me. I'm probably going to still be playing this after recording because, well, this is a fun as hell game. And, yeah, see you guys in the next video, whenever that is. I have a Mech Warrior 5 video that I have edited that I just forgot to upload, and I'm probably gonna, like, release it at some point soon. Soon, TM, I swear to God, me. But anyways, yeah, see you guys whenever the next video is. I have a Discord server down below if you want to talk to, you know, this little small community I have there, and as well as our Discord server being in the description. There's also SM's YouTube channel for his chaotic videos. Anyways, goodbye.